guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what I finally have my hands on. This is Defiant by Perfectly Posh. This is a brand new line extension for us at Posh, and it is a pro aging line. Look at the packaging, you guys. Isn't it beautiful? It's very classy, very high end, and I'm super excited to share some information with you guys about Defiant that I learned in our training call a few days ago. So if you're interested in learning about Defiant, stay tuned and I will fill you in. So like I said, it is a pro-aging line. We're not gonna call it anti-aging. We're all going to age, right? So with this line, we're gonna age gracefully. We're gonna help to reduce the appearance of aging on our skin with this three-piece system. So it is a serum, an eye cream, and a night and day cream. And now this collection is going to be outside of our $25 and under price point. The three-piece set is going to run you about $120, but that's going to last you anywhere between 60 and 90 days. And compared to department store brands, we are 42% less as far as cost goes. So with the price out of the way, I want to talk to you about the amazing ingredients that are in these three products. So the first product is our Naked Youth Serum. And this is going to be the first thing that you apply after washing your face. So you need about 1.5 pumps of this for your entire face and your neck. And a tip that we learned in our training is you're going to rinse off your hands, pat that excess water off on a towel, and then apply your serum to your fingers, rub your fingers together, and then gently pat that serum into your face and your neck. And you always want to do upward motions as far as the neck goes. You don't want to do any tugging or pulling on the skin. So Naked Youth, and that's going to be your step one after washing your face. And this is the serum. And now I'm going to look at my notes so I don't miss anything, but with Naked Youth, it has moringa oil, pearl, vitamin C. So these ingredients are awesome to help prevent the signs of aging. Now, moringa oil, I'm going to just read to you so that I give you the correct information. Moringa oil is known to have significant benefits for your skin. Not only does it dramatically affect the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, it also provides smoothing and revitalizing benefits so your skin looks ageless. Now this moringa oil is in all three of these products. So it's in the serum, the eye cream, and the night cream. Let's see. Now pearl, we have micronized pearl in the serum, and pearl is going to help promote a glowing complexion and a radiant, smooth, firm look on the skin. So that is Naked Youth, the serum. And then the next step after your serum is going to be your eye cream. Now this is your uplifting eye cream, and it has moringa oil in it as well. And you only need, it says to apply 1 to 2 pumps of this, but I only used half a pump of this, and I applied it to my ring finger, and then I just pat under my eyes. So I just did 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3 like that, and then I just pat the serum in. Now I would show you, but I've already put this on for the day and have my makeup on, but you're just gonna use very light pressure under the eye when applying your serum. Okay guys, another really cool ingredient that I forgot to mention about our uplifting eye serum is the sodium hyaluronate. Now sodium hyaluronate is a versatile skin identical ingredient that pulls water from the surrounding environment, and it helps to penetrate the skin without leaving a greasy feel on the skin. So it's gonna provide your skin under your eye with really great hydration without leaving it feeling greasy. So I thought that was really cool. That was a new ingredient for me, as well as the moringa oil, and I was excited to learn about the two of those. So like I said, that is the uplifting eye cream. And your last step in this three-piece or this three-step system is going to be your moisturizer. And now this is called Give Me a Boost, and this is going to be the only choice as far as what type of cream you want to order. When you're ordering the system, everyone's going to get the serum and the eye cream, and then you have a choice between a cream for dry skin, which is what I have, or normal to combination skin. So you can apply this morning and night, but for me this is a little bit heavy for me to apply underneath my makeup, so I'm just going to use this at night and stick with my regular daily moisturizer for under my makeup. But nonetheless, this is an awesome product to have, and it contains the moringa oil as well to help reduce the signs of aging on the skin. And I will show you guys, it came with a protective cover, and they really filled this lotion up to the very, very top. So it's a really thick moisturizer, and a little goes a long way. All I did was just dip my finger in, just get a little tiny bit on my finger, and it was plenty for my entire face and my neck. And like I said, you're just gonna pat these products into the skin. You don't wanna tug or have any rubbing on the skin, because that is not good when you are trying to prevent aging. So if you guys have any questions about Defiant, please leave me a comment down below. I'd be more than happy to help you out and answer any questions that you may have. As always, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Bye.